Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy, Original Dia, and today on my YouTube channel, I got some information I wanted to share with y'all. So make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe for good luck. 2020 coming up. You need all the luck you can get. It's going to be a great year. Now, on this video, I'm sharing with y'all how to do YouTube from a phone. Now, I've done YouTube for about 5 years now, and only taking it serious this year. So it really feel like I only did YouTube for 1 year, for real. But I've done YouTube on my phone the entire time. Now, it was a point where my iPhone had broke, and I had to use an Android. So on this video, I'm gonna be sharing with y'all how to do YouTube from an iPhone and an Android because it works on both. Now, the first thing you want to do when you starting a YouTube channel and you want to make money on the internet, now you need to come up with a name. You need to come up with a brand name, something that you can put across all platforms. You know, not only YouTube, but you may end up making a Twitter, you may end up making a Facebook behind it. So you want to have something catchy and rememberable as a name. Second thing you got to do is download the YouTube app and create an account. Now, I know a lot of this is simple. I know a lot of people like, why is he giving out this simple information? Don't worry, it's going to get more advanced later. I just want to let people know because it could be anybody watching this video. It could be somebody 18 years old, never even thought about creating a YouTube channel. So I just want to give y'all every little detail. Now, once you come up with your name and you create your YouTube account, your official YouTube account, you want to log into Google AdSense. You want to go to Google AdSense. Now, I'm going to leave all of this in the description step by step. Everything I use to do YouTube just to help. But you need to set up your Google AdSense account. When you create content for YouTube, on YouTube, and you build your brand, your channel, you get paid for advertising. You get paid advertising revenue by Google. So what you want to do immediately is create a Google AdSense account and get the verification process started. Even though you won't be monetized on YouTube that fast, you want to have everything in order. You want to have your Google AdSense account set up because it's a process. They have to send out a code to your address. It's like a 5-6 digit code. They send out to you. You have to confirm that in order to start receiving payments. So you want to get your Google AdSense account all set up. Now, after you have created your name, created your YouTube account, created your Google AdSense account, you have to download an app called YouTube Creator Studio. Now, this is essential when you're doing YouTube from your phone because it allows you to edit all of your videos. It allows you to check the analytics. It allows you to, edit titles or description. Anything you want to do, it allows you to do from the YouTube Creator Studio app. And actually, Android version is better because it has the latest upload tab. And the latest upload, this tab I'm talking about, is a part of the new YouTube Creator Studio. And it's one of the main features everybody likes. It shows you how your current upload is doing against the previous 10 uploads you had. So as you get more involved in YouTube, you gonna naturally want to see your analytics. It's gonna naturally make you feel good when you see your numbers going up and you see people engaging with your content. It's gonna naturally make you feel like you're fulfilling your sole purpose. Now, once you've created your channel name, created the actual channel, set up your Google AdSense account, download a YouTube Creator Studio, now you gotta upload your content. Now it's time to upload content. Do not wait. Do not wait on uploading content because you have to meet an not an algorithm, but you have to meet like a standard for before YouTube can monetize your account. You have to have I believe, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in that month. Like in that month of you applying for monetization. So you have to post. You have to start posting like whatever you could post. Now I'm gonna teach y'all the secret algorithm early when you want to do YouTube from your phone, because a lot of people not gonna tell you this. The secret YouTube algorithm is 10-minute videos. Now you want to do 10-minute videos because naturally your watch time will be higher when you are able to get monetized. You can insert as many ads as you want into that 10-minute video. So when you have a longer video, more ads, a higher watch time, YouTube will promote you exclusively. They will promote you to new crowds, testing your videos, getting more people to like, comment, and subscribe your content. Now, that's one of the early, secrets. 10-minute videos. Now, you want to upload content on the YouTube as best as you can. Like if it's every day, that is essential. Like you were already on the path to acceleration. If you could upload every day, but you want to set up a upload schedule at least 3 times a week. Just start posting content so you can start meeting the quota or meeting the standard for the monetization settings or the rules. Now, have 10-minute videos. Have 10-minute videos. That's a must. Now, what you talk about on YouTube matters. What you talk about on YouTube matters. As y'all know from my channel, I've done a lot on my channel. Now, what you want to do on your YouTube channel, you can make it like a lifestyle channel just as mine. Like you could talk about anything as regards to lifestyle, as far as finances, personal development, relationships, music, anything lifestyle oriented. You could make your entire channel about that. You could post daily vlogs. You could share the music that you like. You can post when you travel, post when you go places. You can have a lifestyle channel like that. You know what I'm saying? You could have a niche channel also. Now, the niche channel is different from a lifestyle channel because it focuses solely on one topic. Now, the best niche to be in on YouTube is financial literacy. If you can teach people how to do taxes, if you could teach people how to trade stocks, if you could teach people how to make money online, if you could teach people how to do real estate, this is the most profitable area on YouTube. Like even if you teach people how to make money on YouTube, how to make money on a blog, how to sign up for this website. If you could do videos like that, you could do this all from your phone. You will have a higher CPM. Now, CPM is the cost per 1,000. Every 1,000 views you get that. Right now, my CPM is about $8.40. It changes. The highest I've ever had a CPM was about $11.50 for 8,000. But I average in between that. Like I can get 1 month. Like next month I could be averaging $10 per 1,000 on my YouTube channel. It's possible based on the content I produce. Now, those are 2 style of channels you can have. You can have a lifestyle channel where you promote everything lifestyle oriented, or you can have a niche channel where you focus in on certain things, like where you only talk about fashion, where you only talk about, sports, where you only talk about celebrity gossip, you know what I'm saying? Where you only talk about cooking. You can have a channel like that, and those channels do well too. Now, some key tricks and tips for your YouTube channel. I already told y'all the 10-minute video. Now, the 10-minute video, the high watch time. Now, this, you would need a computer. Now, I'm gonna be 100% honest. Like, this trick, you would need a computer just to fully access it. But if you can get to a computer, a laptop, after you upload your videos, I would download the Google Chrome extension vidIQ. Now, when you download vidIQ, it allows you to see the trending tags, the trending keywords in the video related to the video you just posted. So it'll give you a more organic growth with views. It'll optimize your videos like for YouTube's algorithm. So vidIQ is very necessary, I should say. It's very necessary when you want organic YouTube growth. That's another secret. Now, another secret that you gotta know. Now, this is another channel type you could do too. Now, when you see like all of these different celebrity, anything that happens in the media, you know what I'm saying? You can literally make a whole page around just giving your opinion on things that happen in the media. And when I say that is one of the fastest ways to blow up, like I don't want to make my channel all about news and reporting, so I switch it up. Like you may see me talk about like when Juice WRLD passed, when 6ix9ine got arrested, like big moments like that. But if you make a channel solely around that, you're gonna get so many views. And it's a way you could do that, and that's on iMovie. Maybe I should talk about that now. Like I edit all of my videos, every video on my phone, I edit through iMovie. Now, I know a lot of people use like Final Cut Pro, but when you on your phone and you have an iPhone, you can have an iPhone 7. It don't matter. Like when I first started doing YouTube, I had an iPhone 7 Pro. Now I got the latest, the iPhone 11 Pro Max green, 512 gigabyte. That's what I got now. That's what I'm doing YouTube from now. And like I said, you could do it on the iPhone 7. It don't really matter. When I was doing it on when I was doing it on Android, I had an LG Think Q 4G. And I did videos about that. I did a video where I said the top Detroit YouTubers. That was all recorded on Android. So yeah, man, it's a lot. And well, it ain't really a lot. I'm just, I'm just caught up in my thoughts. But I'm trying to make sure I gave y'all all the game. I feel like I'm leaving something out. But how to do YouTube on your phone is very easy. You can have an Android, you can have an iPhone. All you need is the essential apps. Start recording content. Get in the field, man. Oh, I got to spit, bro. But yeah, man. Nah, for real, like, doing YouTube from the phone is very simple, And you don't need much, man. You just gotta start posting, put out that good content that people gonna love, and you'll see how it grow. Now, another website you could use to grow. Also, I hope y'all stayed to this long, but Rapid Tags. Now, if you type in the title of the video you're trying to create, like whatever title of the video, it's another tip trick. Go to this website called rapidtags.io. And when you go to that .com or .io, that website, you just type in the title for the video you were thinking about uploading, and it'll give you the best tags. And that's just a way to start growing organically on YouTube, So just a recap on how to do YouTube from a phone. You could do YouTube from an Android or an iPhone. All you need is a creative YouTube channel name. After you make that, you have to be older than 13. You have to be older than 13 years old. Create a YouTube account. Now, once you create a YouTube account, you want to create a Google AdSense account. Get that process up and rolling. Once you create the Google AdSense account, you want to download what's called YouTube Creator Studio. After you get YouTube Creator Studio, you want to start uploading. You want to, you know what I'm saying, begin uploading, because it takes 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to get monetized. Now, once you reach that threshold, that's the word I was looking for, is a threshold. Once you reach that threshold, you know, you could begin monetizing your videos. Now, like I said, you can either have a lifestyle channel where you talk about everything. You could just look at my channel as an example. I talk about everything: music, spirituality, relationships, money, personal development. I talk about everything on Yon World. It's a lifestyle channel. You can have a channel like that, record all of your travels, everything. Like, just put it all in one channel. Or you can have a niche-based channel. Now, a niche-based channel could be revolved around sports, fashion, food, money. But the highest paying niche right now on YouTube is financial literacy. Anything you can talk to help people make money online, you win it. You win it if you do that. Just know. Now, most views quickly, make a channel about celebrity gossip. Best method to do this is like to do like a side by side. Now you can do this edit trick in iMovie, which you record a video just like how I'm recording. Then on this side of the screen, it's like when you in the editor. Probably have to make a whole nother video about that. But in the editor, you could do where you add a picture so it looks like a split screen, and that'd be the best, like for your celebrity talk. You know, you just talking. You talk about celebrity, naturally get views, so people looking up that person. You put that name in the title. More tips and tricks. You need 10-minute videos. You need, you know, good titles, good thumbnails. You know, the best you can when you starting up. Practice clickbait. You know what I'm saying? Practice clickbait as much as you can. But, yeah. Yeah, I think that's it for real. And just keep uploading, man. Never get discouraged. You know, like some of the biggest YouTube channels had to upload hundreds of videos before they got that one video that just took their channel to the top. And just know it only take one video to take your channel to the top. It only take one video. So, yeah, I hope this message inspires somebody. This message is for somebody out there. I just hope I reached you and I inspired you. And I want everybody out there to continue to follow your dreams and whatever you feel inclined to do on a creative level. Do it, man. Like, do it. You know, like some of the oldest people in the world only regret what they didn't do. So why not try it? Why not, you know, give yourself a chance for a better life? Because you blow up on this YouTube shit, you own, bro. Like when I say you own, whoever watching this out there, man or woman. You know, this could really change your life just by doing something you would have naturally did. Instead of gossiping with your friends, talk on this damn camera and monetize yourself and get that money. Nah, it's your boy Yon World. This video went longer than I expected, but we just kicking it, and it's good for YouTube anyway. So this is how to do YouTube on the phone. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.